Hello friends, welcome to 5 Tech. This is Realme 5 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do screen recording in Realme 5 Pro smartphone. First of all, go to the Google Play Store in your phone Realme 5 Pro. Open Play Store and search with the term screen recorder. Pick up this result. Install this app screen recorder. Wait for few seconds to few minutes for downloading and installing this app. Now open this app and click allow for giving all permissions and click on the symbol and turn on this button against the screen recorder. Go back again, click on the symbol and click here for starting the screen recording. Yes, screen recording will be started within 3 seconds. Yes, it has been started. Now whatever you go in your screen, that will be recorded in a sequence. Here I go to one web page called facultyon.com. I search with the term facultyon and going for facultyon.com and clicking this job, and it all will be recorded in a sequence. Now I take a screenshot. This is also included in the recording. So whatever you wish to do in your screen, that can be recorded. If you want to have a record for your task, you can easily do it. And if you want to finish the recording, go to the notification area and click on this icon. And if you click here, the recording will be paused and you can resume the recording again. If you click here, it will be stopped and save the screen recording, and you can open the recorder file here. Yes, this is the file I have recorded. In this way, you can easily do screen recording in Realme 5 Pro smartphone. Thanks all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.